Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio commentary. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is that whatever stocks we discuss in this presentation are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. Let's look into Nifty's daily chart to get an overview of how the market is placed at the current moment. Also, it's very important to understand the price volume action on the Nifty to get an overview how the market is placed, and I'll give the Odil's view as well. If you look at in the 3 to 4 month period or 6 month period, Nifty has made a new high around 18,800 levels. And since then, it has been a downtrend for the Nifty. The Nifty has given up nearly 2,000 points from the all-time highs. Recently, in the last 30 40 trading sessions, Nifty has bottomed out, and it has found good buying from the lower levels around 17,000 and 17,400 levels. In the meantime, Nifty it reached its key moving averages in February, and these moving averages are reclaimed very recently. If you look at the short-term period, the last 1 week, Nifty has traded in a very narrow range. If you observe here, this pink line is a 100 EMA. It has found resistance at this level, and the black line is a 200 EMA. And this black line, which is a long-term moving average, the Nifty has found very good support at this level. Historically, this level has been a very good support. If you look at here, September-October period as well, the Nifty has found good support at this level. Currently, also Nifty is trading above its 50 and 200 DMA levels, but the only moving average that is which is to be reclaimed is the 100 DMA. 100 DMA is also very a few times it has given support, and so it's very important for the Nifty to reclaim its 100 DMA going forward. Talking about O'Neill's view, we are continue to be in rally attempt, a phase where we identify stocks which are forming right side of the base patterns, and we'll also look for stocks which are breaking out and giving good ideal buy points. Alternate buy points will not be considered mostly in this phase because the conviction is slightly lower when when compared to confirmed uptrend. Once the market is in confirmed uptrend, that is, we need a follow through day on the Nifty to change the market status to confirmed uptrend. Once that is done, the conviction on the market will increase, and additions to model portfolio will also be on the higher side. Alternate buy points will also be considered because of the probability of stocks advancing in confirmed uptrend is higher when compared to other market status. On the downside, the recent low, that is 16,800, is a crucial level for the Nifty. If that level is breached, then we'll be back to downtrend. But it is a very long distance between the current market price and the recent low. So we are hoping the market will reclaim its 100 DMA and exhibits a follow through day. And also, the currently earnings season is going on. A few banks have also reported their earnings, and major IT companies have also come up with the earnings. IT sector as a whole has not given not so good results. That is the reason Nifty came under slight pressure. But the banks are giving good set of results. Accompanying with this, if the heavyweight stocks if they come up with good set of numbers and the broader market the consumption increases, FMCG stocks will do good. Then the volume-led growth if happens, then the rural and demand, rural and urban, then the overall broader market will do well, and then Nifty will definitely be giving a follow through day. Until then, we might be seeing these sideways movement the next 1 or 2 weeks. So talking about news and stocks which will be under radar in the today's trading session, Ipca Lab will acquire nearly 1/3 of the stake in Unichem Laboratories from one of its promoter shareholders. This is after receiving approval from Competition Commission of India. The deal will happen at a share price of 440 rupees, and the overall deal is valued at 134 crores of rupees. Mahindra Lifespaces, which is into real estate development area, the company has bagged another redevelopment project in Mumbai, and the project is having is expected to have a revenue potential of nearly 850 crores of rupees. Century Textiles came up with their results for the March quarter. Revenue came down slightly 0.2% year-on-year basis to 200 crores, whereas the profit surged nearly 70% to 145 crores. This is mostly because of an exceptional gain of 135 crores. So overall, if you remove this exceptional gain, then the profit will be only of 10 to 11 crores, which is not a major number. So this should be taken in a cautious note. Welspun India, the board will meet on Thursday, that is the day after tomorrow, or to consider buyback of its equity shares, and also the company will announce their results for the March quarter and the financial year 2023. And during the results, along with the results, the company will also take a call of related to dividend, which is to be distributed to its shareholders. IndusInd Bank came up with their March quarter results. Leading private sector bank company has reported a good set of numbers. Net interest income, which is a net of interest earned minus interest expended by the company. The NII, which is shortly known as, has improved 17% year-on-year to 15,000 crores. Profit, on the other hand, bottom line increased almost 50% year-on-year basis to 2,000 crores. Asset quality, which is a key parameter in any banking space, the company has reported very good numbers on the asset quality front. The asset quality improved both on gross and net levels. Gross NPA declined 8 bps sequentially to 1.98%, whereas net NPA, net non-performing assets, fell 3 bps to 0.59%. So overall, IndusInd Bank reported good set of numbers. So definitely these stock will definitely be in the radar. And if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful. There might be some good amount of action happening both on either side. So please be watchful if you have these stocks in your portfolio. Talking about the global markets, overnight US market closed on a flat to note. Whereas tech index composite closed market higher, whereas cost is 1.3 over. Kongari is also daily of 5%. About one major pop-up cap down, which is not expected in the previous trading session. So overall, we are going to expect a narrow trading session. Also, today being a Tuesday, Nifty Financial Services Index weekly expiry is going to be there today. So there might be some volatile action in the financial related stocks. Otherwise, we are going to see a or very narrow range of trading in the today's trading session. For the chart of the day, we have picked Elecon Engineering, which has been in our watch list, and the stock has been doing very good. Stock is currently breaking out of its stage 3 base pattern, consolidation base pattern, and it is just 3% to its pivot. Stage 3 is slightly considered as a late stage base. However, the ratings wise, the stock is looking very good. If you look at the EPS of 96, indicates a very strong rating on the fundamental front. Technical ratings are also looking very good. The price strength of 88, accumulation distribution rating of A+, which is the highest in that category. The RS line is also forming blue dots, which is an indication of leading stock. Overall, the stock is looking very good on calcium front. Number of funds, which is another key parameter which we look, has been doing very good. The company has been able to generate or attract new funds quarter-on-quarter basis. So overall, on most of the fronts, the stock is looking good. If you have this stock in your portfolio, you can continue to hold it. If the stock breaks out from the consolidation base pattern, definitely a very good contender for addition. Thanks for joining today's. We will have a very good trading session.